everyone, I'm Ring Hui Jing from Johor Matriculation College, Malaysia. In this video, I will represent Icsme Group to present our innovation entitled Level Kits, Improve Skill to Form Integral Formulas of Area Between Two Curves Through Effective Digital Learning. Level Kit is a teaching and learning approach based on information and communications technology specially designed to assist lecturers and students in writing integral formulas of area between the curve of the subtopic determines the area of a region by using technique of integrations. Based on the reflections and teaching and learning from lecturers, students are often confused when forming the integral formulas of the area between the curve through the reviews of the students' work. Through the discussions with other mathematics lecturers, they confess that 15% of their students also face the same problem. In our conversations, we found that there were two significant mistakes that students often make. There are case of negative area and the case of inaccurate area. This mistake has caused them to lose many marks in the matriculation program semester examinations. Interview among students, as well as the reviews of student homework, also shows that many students have facing the same problem in writing integral formulas of area between two curves. Therefore, the Icsme Group of 5 mathematics lecturers in Johor Matriculation College were formed to take the initiative to adopt a new digital approach, which integrating my viewport, Desmographing and Survey Hard in monitoring matriculation students to form the integral formulas of area between two curves. The ideas of Level Kit is based on the finding of brainstorming sessions between the group members. Our innovations is aimed to enhance student capability and interest by improve student skill in forming the integral formulas of area between two curves through Level Kits and increase student interest in answering area between curve problem through e-assessment. We believe that this will lead to more effective and meaningful learning. The idea of innovations is originated from the concept of rectangle areas, length times width. The term length is an abbreviation of length, which is the length of the size of a rectangle, while width is an abbreviation of width, which represents the width of the size of the rectangle. With only 3 simple steps, Level Kits can assist the student to form the definite integral formula of area accurately and correctly. Step 1. We locate the level block vertically or horizontally on the shaded region. Step 2. We decide the function length and width. Step 3. We write the formula area in the integral form of length times width. To make it clearer, let me illustrate through this diagram. Step 1. We locate the level block on the shaded region. The block is located vertically when you choose X boundary. Meanwhile, it is located horizontally if you choose Y boundary as the limit of integration. Remember, length is longer than width, so we label the longer size as length and the shorter size as width. Step 2. We decide the function length and width. For the vertical block, we have two functions. They are fx and gx. Length awaits the upper function subtract with the lower functions. Therefore, we have the length as fx minus gx, which is the small changes of x, which is dx. For the horizontal blocks, we have the function fy and gy. We always taking right function subtract with the left functions for the length, that is the length will be have the fy minus gy, and the width is the small changes of y, that is the dy. Step 3. We write the formula in the integral form. For the vertical blocks, we have the integral of length times width with the function fx minus gx and integrate with respect to x. And for the horizontal block, we have the integral of the length times width also with the function fy minus y integrate with y. Our innovations has undergone 3 versions as an improvement measure to make the innovations more flexible and bring the most effective impact. Version 1. Level Kits models. These models were constructed using 2 pieces of polystyrene, fabric, softboard, and level blocks. This version is suitable for lecturers when conduct tutorial classes, which can provide a clear visual for assisting students to form integral formulas of area between curves. Version 2, Level Kits V1. These innovations was upgraded with the help of technology in early 2020. In these versions, the Level Kits have been modified with the form of video, along with worksheet in the form of e-flipbook and e-manual video built by the AnyFlip applications. From here, Level Kit V1 can be shared to all students during online learning sessions due to the COVID-19 pandemic era through YouTube China. Version 3, Level Kits. In year 2020, our team integrate the Level Kit innovations with my viewport and Desmographing application to utilize the use of Level Kits during the online class for teaching and learning purpose. These versions provide a lot of convenience to both lecturer and student. The advantage of using Level Kit in my viewport is that lecturer can show the process of forming the integral formula of area between two curves more systematically and clearly. Furthermore, Desmograph applications allows lecturer and student to sketch various types of graph in faster and easiest way during the online classes. Student can rewatch the Level Kit teaching and learning video on YouTube China. Level worksheet and Level online quiz was also provided in Survey Hard application for due and practice. Students can also give online feedback through QR codes. To validate the efficiency of LeviKits, we observe the pre-test and post-test distribution score, or the targeted group shows the significant improvement with the use of LeviKits. From the user positive feedback, it shows that all the items got the highest score in terms of the student interest, motivation, and perceptions. Reinforces the finding of this study is in line with the aspirations of the Malaysia Ministry of Education by ensuring that students' development is achieved through meaningful learning. LeviKits provide flexible learning and opportunity that can overcome time, space, and place barrier for learning. It also provide a solution for physical distancing needed due to the emergency condition imposed by online learning. Practicality and usability of innovations. First, LeviKit can be used as teaching and learning aids in topic integral area for lecturers and students. Secondly, this innovation is suitable to be used by students from various levels such as upper secondary school, matriculation colleges, basic science program, and sixth form colleges. Thirdly, LeviKit's innovation with a digital concept is easy to reach anywhere, which is convenient as a self-learning tool. These innovations was replicated wisely to all Johor Matriculation Colleges students in conjunction with JMC Co-Academic Carnival Days 2019. In the same years, these ideas were presented in the International Professional Learning Community in Education Seminar and the JMC Mathematics Department PSC Seminar. Starting from year 2019, this innovative idea has been revealed to students at Johor Matriculation College when studying the topic of area between curve. The innovation idea has also been replicated to PJ Sixth Form Colleges by Miss Nurul Alia, SMK Munshi Abdullah by Miss Yopovi and others matriculation colleges. In year 2021, Icsme team took opportunity to share the effectiveness of LeviKit in COM PPI 2021 and Seminar Penang 2022 STEM Digitals. The impacts of innovations can be seen in these three main parts. First, high governance, which it can be used as the teaching and learning material, self-learning tools, online practice, and assessment. The most important is that it is free and easy to access with any digital gadget. Second, multiple applicability. All the innovative materials can be used by lecturers and students from upper secondary school, matriculation colleges, sixth form college, basic science program college as teaching and learning aids. Third, high efficiency. The innovations not only can improve students' results but also the name and image of colleges. These innovations have won 4 awards in 2019. Smart Sharing, Platinum Awards, Gold Awards, and Silver Award. The feedback from mathematics lecturers were also very encouraging. I quoted 3 comments. Teacher Alia from PJ Sixth Form College says that the LeviKit is the easiest method. The integrated approach with technology is able to attract current generation students. Madam Kankowi from KMK mentions LeviKits can help to reduce students' mistakes and confuses in finding area between two curves. Puan Yopowi from SMK Munshi Abdullah says that LeviKit is very useful in triggering student idea to form integral formula of area between curves.
LeviKit is easy to access. LeviKit provided video, e-worksheet, and e-assessment that I can do a lot of read and practice.
LeviKit increased my confidence and interest in solving area between curve problems.
As a conclusion, LeviKit's innovation is a digital learning platform which has successfully improving student skill, understanding, and interest in forming the integral formula of the area between curve in the topic of integrations.